Welcome back from that short break there where Temdo reach again with the hold the microphone. We don't send the message in because plenty don't come concerning this program, yeah. But one for continue the rest of the program, we do go now na Bombali district inside McKinney City as Nandewa Tonka go watch at the traditional tin them where they can use the calabash, shebue and other tin them. Well, the people them we tap inside a place they then say the way and manner how they sell first time they sell don't reduce. Loyeri from Nandewa Tonka put this report together.
As well for save rich culture and tradition in our country and showcase with iconic tin them for make the rest of the world see, make the team come waka na Mac Robert Street inside Bombali district. Outside we meet plenty people them. They sell traditional tin them like calabash, fana, bag, mata, blai, drum, clothes and other tin them. As way for promote and keep with tradition alive. Then business people them here tell we say business no dey flow like how it be day trade. Tin them just stay there every day. In a Guinea, they can go buy some of them tin there yeah. While some they can buy them own them na yeah and make them for themselves with their own hand. Salema Tubangura, na businesswoman, we tell we more, but waiting than the face.
This kind of land from West man of school. But this street is in Uganda. One all thing can done so that the buyer then the grumble and the pan we will better small. Because if the market don't do too much, even though they sell like they confused. And me to me, they married in Noboku. Sell tranga.
Two other business people them, Abdul Kamara and Alima Misise, talk say sometimes can come and can face losses and other challenges them na the market.
Marine and they make fast like trading. There's some great with the markets and the put back selling it. But like where the government help we make put the price down. I need the pull on the counter. Even some people where they pull on like some the book. Where some the book back, the price back to the release.
Yes, we get some banana and calabash no the if you have chicken wrong, sell it at this country.
One customer we can buy calabash for traditional marriage. Francis Bangura talk say the price too high and then lack then culture and tradition. Then traditional tin them here like drum, mata, fana, calabash and other tin them, then can same way say use them for traditional marriage, decoration and other ritual tin them na society. Well, so they would update on our back, but the culture and tradition for make we grand picking them we can meet and enjoy with rich culture and tradition in our country. We name Nanandewa Toronka.
Why is as people in the crisis, then we look at the and they sell. When you do they observe, say most of the engagements and then they use.
Indeed, plenty and they plenty people they use them.
Yeah, for engagement, for the race, then traditional wedding.
Well, now their own side no gets custom.
They don't get custom because Freetown we get.
Anyway.
Well, for me and that, because of the good work, what the ECOWAS speaker we don't do, this we make Liberia chapter SLPP, within a Liberia become an awarder for good work. But we man Tilly Williams be witness the ceremony and he send his fire for we.
The former speaker of ECOWAS, when Ayala Tunis, because of the good work we they do, now the country we make the Liberia chapter become visitor in office when a parliament and we go give them placard for in good work. And the people let me say if they do this good work now the Liberia side we be make them so appreciate we be make even the government be able to succeed for come back na power. And they been given this placard for tell and thank you for the good work where he do now this country. And the Liberia chapter say they always go to appreciate this kind man because a man will do good for the Liberia chapter, the SLPP wing, where they may appreciate this man when I are Tunis. And after that, instead of making him talk, say he appreciates them so much. Now then kind tear so other government workers them for the do where people for the appreciate them. And he say he go take this placard with them bring come, he not go left on an office, he go can go in house, let them see that say the work where they do for government, they appreciate them. He say he tell them thank you and he hope say more unity go come with the Liberia chapter. Then we then a Freetown have them for unite. Not to pass where election they come, then go able for friend people. As from now, then they try for friend people for see how them go unite, so the government go continue. And we have to say, England the bad one for this small gift where they give them. Not to pass a big thing. This they make people they motivate more and more for lay. They able forget this kind thing where they can appreciate and so. And before the people they left, they say them pray that unity go there with them Naya and the one they within a Liberia. So tell we they see more gifts where they come for this good man when I had Tunis when I'm before my ECOWAS speaker, me Natalie Williams to send this report.
Right, congratulations to the first time ECOWAS speaker in the Tunis, where Chile puts that report together. Plenty thank you to you, Chile Williams. We're going to go to Kono and join Mohammed, join Dauda Kamara and in team for updates within the happen at the streets day.
The official Aninova of the Anna Seba Memorial Cafeteria building after construction na the Kwedu School for the Blind been bring together big people na Kono district, including the school administration and the school picking. The cafeteria building comprised of a big hall with other facility where the Kwedu School for the Blind administration go open to the public in order for make them generate income. The sponsor for the project, Reverend Tamba Seba Jr., where they stay in the United States of America, been say the construction then do in order for build on the legacy of the late